Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix there was a problem with the server 400 error on YouTube. So actually it is very easy. First of all, of course, you need to open settings on your device, and here in the general, click on the general, go to the iPhone storage to see everything that is stored on your device. Here will be the list of all applications installed, and in this list you need to find YouTube. Here it is. Click on it, and now we will simply need to clear the cache, clear the app data by clicking offload app and confirm the action clicking on offload app again. It will basically clear all the data of the app, and then you'll need to reinstall it from the same screen, and it will help to resolve the problem. And now go check to the YouTube if the problem still persists or not. If the problem still persists, the last thing I'll suggest you to do is you need to open the App Store on your device or Play Market, it depends on the type of device you are using, and search for YouTube. And now you need to make sure that YouTube is updated. As you can see, in my case it is not updated, and that is why I get this type of problem. So I need to update YouTube to stay up to date and to fix all the bugs and problems, such as a problem with the server 400. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.